Hi everyone, it's Katrine with Blend Precisely, and my live for some reason didn't work today because it didn't record any audio. So I'm re-recording this one with Loom and uploading it for you to YouTube. Not sure what happened. So today I just wanted to cover a couple of things. First of all, we are going to have new tutorials after the 6.1 release, which was quite a big release and there are lots of changes. So I want to make sure you guys get everything you need in a very specific tutorial style this time. So in our community, in the Indie AI business community, we voted for Matilda's voice today, and it's going to be an AI voice, which is going to give you really precise step-by-step scenarios here on how to use Blend Precisely. So since Blend Precisely has been growing a lot in the past 6 years, I have quite a few tutorials to go through. I think around 70 that I need to re-record and get them to you into your hands. The best way maybe to stay on track is not to only be in this app, of course, but also come over to our community, the Indie AI Business Hub. That's where we're going to talk about blends and formulations, and you will also receive always the latest and greatest updates here for Blend Precisely. So if you don't have access right now, but you do own Blend Precisely, you have automated access and you should not be needing to pay the $29. But if you don't have Blend Precisely and you would like to start using Blend Precisely, you of course just simply come to our blendprecisely.io website, and let me just get there. It's over here. And you then can decide which plan suits you the best by maybe looking through this. Let me just make it a bit bigger by looking through this table here, and it will explain the basic, pro, and pro plus plan and what you get with each of these plans. You have the possibility to sign up on a monthly plan or the yearly plan. The yearly plan actually saves you quite a bit money, so you can make that decision as well. In addition, let me just show you how these new tutorials will be. They will basically come as a new tutorial like this. You click start here and then it opens up. Oops, no, that's not the one. Replay. So you can then click on every step and it will show you how to work every single step quite amazingly. The voice is necessary in this case because we have so many tutorials. Okay, we have so many tutorials, and sometimes small changes happen, and this way I can make faster changes for you, and also you will be able to really follow step by step and not miss any of the features I have listed here that you can now do in Blend Precisely. So that one will come to you through email, but also when you're in our Indie AI Business Hub group, you will be able to follow along with any new tutorials. In addition, I wanted to just answer a question from one of our clients. And let me just go to the skincare version. I have to sign in. All right, so if you own skincare, let me just make it something. Just a second. If you own skincare and you choose one of your recipes, and as you know, as a skincare formulator, we are often between hydrous and anhydrous products. So you will see now that Seth has added treat as water. So sometimes we have a hydrolat, or we have just plain water, or we have different kinds of water that we would like to use in our formulations. And you will see a little check mark that says treat as water. And If it is a Blend Precisely ingredient, as you can see here, it's a Blend Precisely ingredient, you will be able to see it based on the logo. You then cannot make changes. And let me just show you, there's a small permission denied coming up here. And this will explain to you that in this case, try to make this ingredient yours. So either you come over to the inventory and you create a new raw ingredient over here, or you come over to the Blend Precisely ingredient library and you create or copy an ingredient over from here. So you can check mark the ingredients. We have over 1,100 pre-populated ingredients for you. And you can just simply make these mine, and then they will show up under your ingredient. And then you can make the decision in your formulation table if you would like to treat your ingredient as water or not. So for example, let's pretend this one is water. I can then say, okay, this ingredient over here, I would like to treat as water. And then it will automatically be subtracted from anything you add in addition as a phase. So if you add another ingredient, the water phase will go down automatically and you don't need to even calculate your water phase anymore. All right, so that's basically it. So 3 things, new tutorials are coming. They will be super step by step and very convenient. I'm working on them step by step down, and I will let you know either in our AI Grim, in our Indie AI business community, or you will receive an email from me. If you have any questions, you of course can send us an email at hello@blendprecisely.io, or you can also use our little chat service we have for you in Blend Precisely. If you're new to Blend Precisely, make sure you click subscribe on our YouTube channel so you will not miss any of our lives. And then with that, I'm going to end our session today, and I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching. Bye.